In this video, I want to show you how to create a personal teleporter room. You start by logging into the Minecraft metaverse. The default landing site is the street. From here, we want to teleport to Highcraft, because that's where I would like to create my teleporter room. We can create some housing. And I'll give my housing a name. We will be needing some redstone and some signs. It's possible to create portals on third-party servers you don't own. But what's important to remember is that it doesn't matter which MiM component you're going through, whether it's local, shared, or server-side, as long as you control the building area. That way, the portals you create do not get out of sync with what has been built. We can go over here and we can create a portal for the street. And I'm going to have a command to teleport directly to my penthouse on arrival. Over here, I want to create a portal to Pixelmon. Now that our basic teleporter room is complete, we can go ahead and jump in the portal to the street, to my penthouse. Also here, we want a teleporter directly to my teleporter room on Hypixel. And then we can go ahead and jump in. We can do the same for Pixelmon. We can teleport over to Pixelmon via our teleporter. Now it's important to remember that here I do not control the build area. So if I create a portal here, then if Pixelmon decides to change the environment here, that my portal might not coincide with the environment anymore. And so we have a personal teleporter room we can teleport to from Hypixel, Pixelmon, and the street. Thank you for watching.